As a longtime user of DJI's first-generation Romo for almost a year, my most noticeable feeling is that it solved the major pain points of ordinary robot vacuums and mops. However, there were still some minor regrets. Today, I just received the new Romo MP2 water tank version, and the moment I opened it, I wanted to say that DJI has truly listened to user needs this time. First, let's look at the appearance. It still has the familiar transparent aesthetic. The pure white body and fully transparent top cover make it look more like a delicate ornament than a home appliance. Through the top cover, you can see the neat internal structure. The texture is still excellent and looks more high-end than the previous generation. The base station is also a semi-transparent design. The freshwater tank is 3,200 milliliters, and the dirty water tank is 4,000 milliliters. The parameters are clear at a glance. Changing the water tank and lifting it out is very convenient. In actual testing, the core upgrade is really satisfying for longtime users. The most troublesome thing about the previous generation, the P2, can now handle the 8.5 centimeters threshold of my balcony sliding door track with ease. I no longer have to move the machine by hand. Obstacle avoidance is even better than flagship drones. The 2.0 obstacle avoidance system accurately navigates around glass doors and mirrors, preventing collisions with small items like headphone charging cables. Finally, there's no need to clean the floor beforehand. Cleaning power is also maxed out at 36,000 pascals, a 40% increase over the previous generation, easily cleaning coffee powder and sunflower seed shells. It also features a superior anti-tangling design, preventing long hair and insect fuzz from getting stuck. The 123-degree extended robotic arm covers 7.8 centimeters more than the previous generation, allowing for close cleaning of table corners and legs, eliminating cleaning blind spots. What surprised me most was the egg self-cleaning feature. The 200-day maintenance-free feature was already difficult to maintain, but the P2 extends it to 365 days. The easily soiled filter has been removed, and the 16mm large suction port with 4 high-pressure water jets cleans and vacuums directly, eliminating the need to squat on the floor to remove the filter or brush. The base mop is soaked in hot water for washing, and the entire process includes drying, deodorization, and a soundproof chamber, significantly reducing noise. After using the first generation for a year, I'm now using the P2. It feels like it's transformed from a smart tool into a divine companion, completely devoid of unnecessary fancy features. Every upgrade addresses the core pain points of longtime users. If you're like I used to be, fed up with robot vacuums getting tangled in hair, stuck in doorways, and having difficult base stations to maintain, then this ROM 2 is truly a no-brainer.